Hi, baby. What are you doing? You practicing? Whoa. Hi, that's good. Oh boy. She's gonna be walking soon. There she is. Look at her. She's practicing. Oh boy. Daddy put a pillow back there just in case. Hi, baby. Look at you. Careful now.
Mommy, move.
Okay. What are you doing? Hey, Katie. Say hello. Katie, look at Mama. Hi. She's focusing. Whoa, there she goes.